Ready?
Yes.
Welcome to
Derelict in the
Death by Asbestos, and I'm completely stoned.
What is up, people? And today we are exploring an abandoned set of trains on an abandoned train line. Today I am with the one and only Lewis Clark, and I am with the one and only UK Urbex. Links will be in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to these guys. They're both amazing people. Anyway, let's get going.
Nice.
See you in a bit.
Like, comment, subscribe, and we don't want to step on it. Just starting this carriage.
Is that the Queen's Highway?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Driver's cab.
Cool. This old shit on the side of the road. Wow, that was worth it.
This looks like an old train that's converted into a shed.
Yeah.
I mean, the floors are rusted out.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some big holes. Imagine if it started. No, it wouldn't. It just. It just. This is the engine room. This is what drove you on your commute 5 days a week. Is to get the train. Back in the day, obviously.
It's probably what Southern Rail uses.
Yeah. Shout out Southern Rail, shittest rail network in the country.
oh, go on.
Yeah. Shame we got spotted by the neighbours.
Did you?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. We weren't going to tell you. We were going to wait till the police arrived, but
She did pick up her phone and start dialing a number. So.
she didn't. Should
Should we give
it? Oh, that is cool.
Gear? There's a gear stick right here.
Is it?
First. Reverse.
Can anyone confirm that?
No. Pretty much, this is the accelerator, so if I go quicker, now doing 40, 120, oh fucking hell. Oh shit, 240. Emergency stop.
Can you actually imagine this thing doing 120 miles an hour?
No.
Oh no, it's not. It's pounds per inch, is it?
Do you reckon if we put it like back, we can turn back time?
Train driving 101 with UK Urbex.
I don't really want to
Shout out.
Shout out.
I don't really want.
We started rolling off.
Just put it into neutral.
Roll off down the track. Shit. Oh, I'm coming out backwards. Kind of one-handed. Woo! No, that was just some geezer. Got anything to say?
Not really. I'm a man of few words.
well dodgy.
Man like Hilton.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously. Sorry. Cut. Shit.
Is this like a passenger carriage?
It is. But there's no seats.
Obviously they've been ripped up, haven't they?
Maybe this is the peasant section.
Probably.
So they put you in with the chickens and shit. If you want to sponsor this video, walkers, get in touch.
The fuck, radioactive?
I don't know how long this shit's been here for, but I'd imagine quite a while.
Yeah. Maybe it might have been for like load cargo.
Yeah, from the side of the track.
What's that, a wheel?
That makes sense.
That looks quite cool. Does it work?
No.
It's going to be stiff as fuck, innit?
Solid. Like your mum. That's just weird.
That is vlogception.
Vlogception. Whoa, that's sick.
Oh, it's the end of the track. That's so cool. And you just got the end of the carriage,
The end of the road, boys.
Do you go in there?
Can you get in there?
Have a look.
Who's going up?
Skirt pad. Obviously, yeah.
Good pad, come on. Obviously, yeah. Don't slip.
Bro, it's covered in shit. What the?
What is that?
What?
What? What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Wait, is that a body? Is that a body?
I don't know, man. I don't want to go back.
We need to call the police. We need to call the police.
Yeah, bruv. Oh, fuck! You're up.
Fucking go!
Oh, mate.
I spat on my camera.
Mate, I'm shaking.
I'm not
Fuck.
exploring again.